Welcome back to my channel. So as you're aware, I've got a Volvo S60. It's a 2005 model. It's a D5. It's a 185 brake horsepower, 2.4 litre diesel. Since I've got the car, it's been running in limp mode. Now that's something that's been really annoying me since the day I got the car. So what I decided to do was I put my scanner on it. The scanner I've been using is the topdon topscan. Fantastic little piece of kit. If you don't own one, I suggest that you look at it, watch my video about the reviews, do some research, but I wholeheartedly recommend topdon topscan. Fantastic for your diagnostic needs. So I put that on and it gave me 3 errors in the engine control module. So the errors that I got in the engine control module were diesel particulate filter, and I got 2 for glow plug relay control modules. Now, looking online, it came up with glow plug relay, which on the Volvo S60 and on these D4 engines, D5 engines, it's very common, let's say, for the glow plug relay to go. Now, I've watched a lot of videos online of where the glow plug relay is. Some people say it's behind the front bumper. Some people say it's underneath the airbox. Now, what I will say is this. On mine, it sits just behind the front headlight, under the airbox, and you don't even have to take anything out to get it out. You simply stick your hand down, pull it off, and the whole thing comes out in your hand. Very easy to change. So I put a new relay on it, and I'm going to make a video for anyone that doesn't think it's there, thinks I'm talking nonsense. It is there. I'll make a video when I'm putting the glow plugs in. I'm going to do a video of that, and I'll show you where the glow plug relay is at that point as well. But what I do know is mine's a 2005-2006 model. Later on, maybe 2007, 2008, Volvo did change the location of the glow plug relay to behind the bumper, and it was a lot harder to get. So maybe if you've got an earlier one, it will be in the same place as mine. Maybe if you've got a later one, it might have moved. So worth checking. So I put a new glow plug relay in, made absolutely no difference, not a shred. I deleted all the fault codes, they came straight back. So what I was getting was a 662 and a 664 code. Now the 66 is for the glow plug, and the 2 and the 4, or whatever numbers after your 6s, is your cylinder. So if you have 662, it's cylinder 2. If you have 664, like what I have, it's cylinder 4. So I've got issues with these 2 cylinders. I've ordered glow plugs. They were £40 online. They're going to be coming soon. So before I change them, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray them for 2 or 3 days with WD-40. And when I want to change them, I'm going to take the car around before so the engine's warmed up. I'm going to lash them with WD-40 again and whip them out and change them. And hopefully that'll be my problem solved. The reason I'm getting a DPF problem fault code is because it's linked. You need the glow plugs in order to do DPF regens and stuff like that. So that's why that error's coming up. I'm hoping once I put the new glow plugs in, it solves the problem and I no longer get the DPF issue, which I will take you all through. So I'm going to do the video on changing the glow plugs. That part of that video is going to be where the glow plug relay is, and then the next part of that video will be deleting the fault codes, seeing if I finally fixed the problem. It's a problem that's been plaguing me since I got the car. Hopefully I fixed the problem. Hopefully I know what the problem is and I fixed the problem. So stay tuned. As I say, I'm working all the time, so I need time to be able to do this, but I will be on it soon. So like, subscribe and share my channel. Stay tuned.